We're at the cutting edge of news.
All right,
here.
we're the cutting of the edge.
We're the cutting of the edge.
We got the Office of the Director of National Intelligence has issued an unclassified preliminary assessment of unidentified aerial phenomena.
Boom.
Let's see, the scope. Available reporting largely inconclusive. Right at the top. That's pretty sad. I doubt there's any pictures in this thing. The report is so bad, it's gonna cause more problems for everyone. Fuck our government treating us all like children. Spoiler alert, it's a fucking nothing burger. Wowzy, zowzy, Batman. It's fucking nothing. My expectations were low, but holy shit.